Guys, this one feels incredibly refined, offering comfort and style in equal measure. The fabric is soft, silky, and pleasantly lightweight against the skin. Its breathable construction makes it ideal for extended wear. The subtle sheer finish adds a graceful and contemporary touch. Friends, the overall design is simple, elegant, and beautifully executed. The waistband sits smoothly and comfortably throughout the day. It provides a secure fit without creating unnecessary pressure. The material feels airy and helps maintain lasting comfort. Even after many hours, it remains light and enjoyable to wear. The stitching is neat and carefully crafted. Every detail reflects attention to quality and durability. The fabric texture feels smooth and luxurious to the touch. Nothing feels restrictive or distracting. It creates a clean and polished look under different outfits. The fit feels natural and flattering. It moves comfortably with your body throughout the day. The overall construction feels dependable and well-made. The material keeps its shape beautifully with regular use. Friends, that's a feature that truly adds value. The minimalist styling gives it a timeless appeal. It looks sophisticated without relying on excessive details. The refined finish adds a subtle premium character. Everything feels thoughtfully designed from top to bottom. Comfort and elegance come together effortlessly here.